Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you recently got a new phone and want to switch your Metro by T-Mobile service without losing your connection, the process is usually much easier than many people expect. Sometimes people move the SIM card and service still does not appear right away, while other times the new device powers on but activation feels confusing. Since Metro by T-Mobile device switching may involve SIM setup or network activation, learning the correct order can make everything feel smoother. The best part is that once setup finishes correctly, your new phone should begin handling calls, text, and mobile data normally. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to switch devices on Metro by T-Mobile. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the new phone and keep the old phone nearby during the switch process. Step 2. Remove the SIM card from the old phone if the Metro by T-Mobile service uses one. Step 3. Insert the SIM card into the new phone carefully before checking the Metro by T-Mobile service. Step 4. Sign into the account linked with the Metro by T-Mobile service if activation appears necessary. Step 5. Restart the new phone after the Metro by T-Mobile service begins updating. Step 6. Test calls and mobile data on the new phone and confirm the Metro by T-Mobile service works normally.